Hello students, welcome to all of you in computer class. Students, today we will learn about our new chapter, that is types of software, and in this session I am sending you part 1 of this chapter, and in this chapter we will discuss different terms related to types of software. Okay, types of software, hardware, system software, these all things we discuss in this video. Students, I hope you all have completed your work, that is chapter 2 copy work proper way. If there is any problem in this video, then after watching video you all ask me. Okay, so let's start our session, that is types of software. Student, you all know hardware and software, that both terms important for our computer system. If hardware is available and software not available, so there is no work of hardware, and if application software is available and there is no hardware term, then we haven't do any work, only with software. Okay, so in previous definition in your basic class you learn about hardware and software, and the definition you learn about, that is the term or the parts of the computer system that we can see and touch, that is hardware, and the parts हम नहीं कह सकते हैं, ठीक है, the terms that we haven't टच बट वी कैन सी, ठीक है, जिसको हम केवल देख सकते हैं, ठीक है, दैट इज द सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके, सो दिस इज द बेसिक डेफिनेशन दैट वी हैव लर्न इन आवर चाइल्डहुड क्लासेस. ओके, because we are on 9th standard and we have to learn some different definition to explain this term. Okay, so about types of software, there were two types of software: system software and application software. Okay, so here we will discuss more about that. So let's start our class. Types of software. Introduction of types of software, that is software is a program or instruction that tells the computer what to do and how to do. Okay, because with the hardware we point or move our cursor or enter data in our computer system, but after giving instruction in our computer system, the software that perform the main role for the computer what to do and how to do. ठीक है, कि जो यूजर ने जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शन इन किया है, ठीक है, या जो भी हमने डाटा इन किया है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को अब आगे क्या काम करना है, कैसे करना है, दैट इज ऑल परफॉर्म बाय सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके, computer needs software to do even a simple job. Without software computer cannot function. Okay, that we discussed it earlier. ठीक है, क्योंकि हार्डवेयर के बिना सॉफ्टवेयर से केवल वर्क नहीं हो सकता, और अगर आपके पास सॉफ्टवेयर अवेलेबल है तो विदाउट हार्डवेयर हम कुछ भी, अगर कीबोर्ड नहीं है, माउस नहीं है, तो वी हैवंट डू एनी वर्क. ठीक है, so here types of software, there were two types of software, that is system software and application software. So student, we see also with the help of this diagram types of software, and here the system software and application software, this is your hierarchical diagrams of types of software. Every time if this type of question come in your examination, then you show with the help of hierarchical diagram. ठीक है, because not writing or running matter plays an important role in your examination for giving the answer. If you want to make presentation or way of giving the answer, so you must draw the diagram if diagram is. Okay, so system software and application software. System software, it is the background software that enable the application software to interact with each other. ठीक है, so system software provide us the all the background terms, ठीक है, that how to perform with application software. And what is application software? It is a group of program designed to accomplish a single task or a group of related tasks. ठीक है? So whatever we have to do in our Excel sheet, in MS Word, ठीक है, in Notepad, in Paint program, that is all related to application software. Here some terms related to application software, that is application software includes program that do the real work for user. ठीक है? So whatever we have to do in MS Excel, MS Word, presentation program, ठीक है, because we have to here our complete work. ठीक है? So this is done by our application software. ठीक है, जिससे हमारा कोई वर्क कंप्लीट होता है. ठीक है, application software is created to perform a specific task for a user. It is also known as application packages. Application software is used to perform various application on the computer. ठीक है, why it is called application package? Because you heard the name of MS Office. ठीक है, तो MS Office is also a software suite. ठीक है, it provides a different terms और डिफरेंट एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर इनसाइड दैट. ठीक है, जैसे आपने माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस का नाम सुना होगा. ठीक है, MS ऑफिस पैकेज. ठीक है, इसके अंदर आपका क्या क्या आ जाएगा? MS वर्ड, MS प्रेजेंटेशन, MS पावर पॉइंट, जिसको हम कह सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो ऑल दिस टर्म्स दैट इज इनसाइड द सॉफ्टवेयर पैकेजेस, दैट इज MS ऑफिस. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एप्लीकेशन पैकेज है, क्योंकि वो एक पैकेट. ठीक है, MS ऑफिस क्या होगा? एक आपका पूरा पैकेट होगा, उस पैकेट के अंदर अलग अलग मटेरियल्स है. ठीक है, now system software also known as operating system and disk operating system, DOS. Okay, and OS, that is operating system. OS allow application software to communicate with the hardware. Okay, OS provide the communication with the hardware. ठीक है, DOS is a group of program which manage the most basic operations of a computer system. Student, DOS is a operating system and it is command based. ठीक है, and recently or in future we use Windows, different terms of Windows, that is WIMP. ठीक है, Windows icon minus pointer, and it is GUI based, graphical user interface, but DOS is command line interface, CLI. In DOS there were different command to open, ठीक है, to remove, to erase the different terms, but in our WIMP, that is GUI बेसिकली. ठीक है, तो डिफरेंट वर्जन ऑफ विंडोज जिसपे हम ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम पे इस समय हम वर्क कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो दैट इज GUI बेस्ड, ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस, बिकॉज दैट प्रोवाइड द यूजर इंटरफेस थ्रू द यूजर वी locate our mouse pointer, keyboard. ठीक है, तो दैट इज ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस. और जहां हम कमांड के थ्रू कोई वर्क करते दैट इज कमांड लाइन इंटरफेस. ठीक है, सो बिफोर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ विंडोज, ठीक है, वी यूज द DOS, Linux operating system. Okay, now example of OS: Windows XP, Windows 7, Vista, Linux, Macintosh, etc. DOS program reside on a floppy disk or hard disk. So this is all about system software that is mainly is used for controlling all the hardware terms and interact with our application software. The memory and the application software manage the information on the disk, run computer programs, manage the startup processes. ठीक है, so it is very important. Then when we have purchased the computer system, then first install the operating system, क्योंकि इसके नेम से ही आपको लग रहा है कि ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ऑपरेट, हु ऑपरेट आवर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. ठीक है, तो जिसके थ्रू हमारा कंप्यूटर सिस्टम स्टार्टअप होगा, दैट इज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. And here some missing terms of software. सॉफ्टवेयर इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड प्रोग्राम. ठीक है स्टूडेंट, बी लिसन केयरफुली. Set of instruction is called program and set of program is called software. Okay, so set of instruction given to computer to solve a program is called software. ठीक है, software is a single or collection program that perform a particular task and it is also called a program. Now here you see these are the application software: Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Lotus 123, Photoshop, etc. Now system software. System software is the set of program to control and manage the operations of a computer hardware. ठीक है, so in previous we discussed the system software and it comes in operating system. Operating system में आपके 3 terms आते हैं: system software, language processor and utilities program. ठीक है, and here in our system software the set of program to control and manage the operation of the computer hardware. It enables application programs to execute program properly. It consists of basic operation as follows: saving the data on the disk, making computer to us, printing a document. ठीक है, तो system software that is the simple operating system, ठीक है, simple utility program, disk driver and language processor, that all terms comes in system software. And these are the example of different operating system. Here these are the diagram of operating system. ठीक है, Apple, Windows XP, ठीक है, Windows 7, Linux, Unix. Now here operating system is a collection of software that manage computer hardware resources and provide common service for computer program. ठीक है, so student, types of software, that is system software and application software. And in system software there is operating system, utility program, disk driver and language processor. Okay, so today we discuss all about that operating system. ठीक है, operating system is a vital component of computer system in a computer system. Application program usually required an operating system to function. ठीक है, so whenever we purchase our computer system, so without operating system it is only a box. ठीक है, so when we install our operating system, तो ये हमारे कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को आगे कैसे परफॉर्म करना है, कैसे स्टार्टअप करना है, this provide all the instruction. Okay, and when we install the application software, then it correlate our the application software to hardware. ठीक है, तभी जब आप एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल कर लेंगे, ठीक है, और उसके पहले ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, तो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के ही इंस्ट्रक्शन से आपका हार्डवेयर वर्क करेगा और आप एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर पे वर्क कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो मेनली जो सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर है दैट इज द इंटरनल वर्क, इसीलिए कहा गया कि दैट टेक्स द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द बैकग्राउंड वर्क. ठीक है, now utility program is a system software that allow a user to analyze, configure and maintain the computer system. It perform the specific task related to the management of computer. For example, student, if in our kitchen if all the boxes, ठीक है, here and there, ठीक है, तो आपको वो फीचर जो है अच्छा भी नहीं लगेगा. या आप अपना ड्राइंग रूम ले लीजिए या बेडरूम ले लीजिए, ठीक है, योर लाइब्रेरी, ठीक है, और योर कॉपी बुक प्लेस. ठीक है, इफ सो मटेरियल्स आर हियर एंड देयर, ठीक है, देन इट्स लुक वेरी बैड. ठीक है, और आपको जगह, ठीक है, जो स्पेस है वो भी आपको जो है नहीं प्रोवाइड होगा. ठीक है, तो फॉर दिस पर्पज आप क्या करते हो, अपने किचन, बेडरूम, ड्राइंग रूम और लाइब्रेरी, ठीक है, वीकली या मंथली आप क्या करते हैं, क्लीनेस करते हैं, है ना. ठीक है, तो यूटिलिटी प्रोग्राम responsible for this work in our computer system. ठीक है, तो with the help of utility program we manage and make the different capability of our computer system, configure our computer system, manage our computer system in proper way. ठीक है, तो यूटिलिटी प्रोग्राम में जैसे आपका हो गया डिस्क फ्रेगमेंटेशन, ठीक है, कंप्रेशन, सॉफ्टवेयर, ठीक है, और डिस्क क्लीनअप, दीज आर कम्स इन यूटिलिटी प्रोग्राम, जिससे कि हम अपने सिस्टम को वीकली और जो है मंथली बेसिस पे हम अपने सिस्टम को मैनेज करते हैं, उसको और मतलब उसकी कैपेबिलिटी को इन्हांस करते हैं विद डिलीटिंग और मैनेज ऑल द सॉफ्टवेयर टर्म्स. Next is device driver. A device driver is a computer program that operate or control a particular types of device that is attached to a computer, like printer. If device driver not installed in our computer, then if we attach external or peripheral devices, so student it haven't provide any of the correction. ठीक है, इसलिए डिवाइस ड्राइवर हमें इंस्टॉल करना जो है इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि इफ़ वी अटैच एनी ऑफ द पेरिफेरल्स डिवाइसेस क्या होते हैं, जो हम एक्सटर्नली जो है इन करते हैं, ठीक है, जैसे आपका माउस, कीबोर्ड, प्रिंटर, ठीक है, तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ डिवाइस ड्राइवर वी प्रोवाइड अ इफिशियंट वे और वर्क इफिशियंट वे, ठीक है. तो एक तरह से आप क्या करें कि डिवाइस ड्राइवर जो है वो पेरिफेरल्स डिवाइसेस के लिए एक प्लेटफॉर्म है. व्हेन वी इंस्टॉल डिवाइस ड्राइवर तभी आपका वो है प्रॉपरली वर्क जो है होगा. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट हार्डवेयर, software, types of software, that is system software and application software, and we have learned about system software, operating system, utility software, ठीक है, device driver, and one term is missing student, that is language processor. Okay, language processor we discuss different terms related to language processor and different example of operating system and utility software in next video. I hope after watching this term you all go through book also, and if there is any problem then ask me tomorrow.